Hello viewers, we hope you are doing fine. So today we will show you an adjustable PCB holder. It's entirely ESD safe and it can cater different sizes of PCB. The maximum PCB it can hold is 200 mm by 130 mm. So you will get this PCB holder in like this packing. So let's unbox it and take the stuff out. So as we have taken out the stuff from this box, this is the main PCB stand and these are two metal plates. It's a very heavy type of metal plates, so even the heavy PCB it can hold on. We need to just unscrew these four screws and to fix these base plates onto this stand. So width can be adjusted to hold different sizes of PCB. So these are the and it can also be rotated. So these four screws need to be unscrewed before mounting onto this stand. So we need to just unscrew these four. Now we have taken out all these four screws and now we will position these base plates onto the stand, and you need to just align a bit to just match the position of screws. Then we will fix these screws once again in this way. Now we have fixed all the four screws on their respective position. Now this stand is ready to use. So this PCB holder is entirely ESD safe, so even the sensitive PCBs can be mounted on this PCB holder. So we are using a surface resistivity meter to check the ESD property of this stand. So let's check whether it is ESD safe or not. So as we can see, it is within dissipative range, and it means the stand is entirely ESD safe, and it can hold even the sensitive PCBs also. Take a PCB and just insert it on the stand. Just we need to position a slot. Now the PCB is inserted in this slot, and we need to just fix these screws so that it can hold its position, and just fix this screw as well on the rear side. So these screws should be fixed. Now we can see that the PCB can be rotated 360 degree and the PCB is fixed, it is not moving. So suppose if we want to just fix this PCB on a particular position, then we need to just tighten these screws a little bit, and then the rotation will be restricted and the PCB will be fixed. See, now this PCB is perfectly stable and we can just keep the components on this PCB, or we can solder also. Suppose if we just loose these screws a little bit and rotate this PCB, and on the rear side we can do soldering job also. So there are three main features of this PCB. First one is it is ESD safe, it is RoHS compliant, and the width can be adjusted to hold different sizes of PCBs, and it's very useful for electronic laboratory setup. So you can buy it from India Enterprises. Model is IPCB H200 ESD. So we will highly recommend you to buy this from us and use this while soldering the PCBs and other applications also. So I hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.